Hi physics, last video for Tuesday. It's on the next page, 449, and we've solved for the length of a pendulum on the previous problem, the first video on 12b, and we're just going to use that formula again. So on number 1, on the next page, we're on page 449, it's talking about the same building from the question that we just did on 12b, but the period is going to change. The time is going to change, and now we want to know how tall would the tower be if this period changed. So we have, we're looking for the length, because it said that the length of that pendulum almost touched the floor. The time period is going to change to 24 seconds, and we know gravity, we don't have to write that down. So we don't have to resolve, we're just going to copy the equation that we figured out on the previous problem, and that was to get L, you do gravity, the period squared, over 4 pi squared. So now we just plug in what we know. To get this new length, the gravity is 9.81 meters per second squared. We're multiplying by this time. The period has changed, 24 seconds squared over 4 pi squared. It's sort of easier in your calculator to just do open parentheses, 9.81 times 24 times 24, close parentheses, divided by open parentheses 4 times pi, close parentheses. And we still have these two significant figures. So when we multiply and then divide with that in parentheses, you're going to get 140 meters. So for today, you guys get to decide whether you want to do number 2, number 3, or number 4, and just pick one of those, show your work, and send it to me. Have a good one.